come along to the magic color lab. Put your goggles on just right. We're gonna mix colors bright. Samaya smiles, Evron cheers. Samaya smiles, Evron cheers. Magic colors will appear. Stir them gently, 1, 2, 3. What new color will we see? Red and yellow, mix them slow. Orange starts to glow. Magic colors, bright and new. There's so much that we can do. Blue paint here and yellow too. What will these two colors do? Pour them in and stir with glee. Look, the color turns to green. Green like grass and leaves on trees. Green like grass and leaves on trees. Green like little garden peas. Green is shine, you got it right. Green is shining big and bright. Now take red and add some blue. Let's discover something new. Stir them slowly